Hey YouTube family, welcome to Tamara TV. If you've been here before, then it's always welcome back. And if you've never been here before, then hi. My name is Tamara, this is Tamara TV, and today we're doing Wig Wednesday. You can follow me at _Tamara TV. Okay, you guys, so today for my first ever Wig Wednesday, we will be doing an unboxing and review of the wig that I currently have on my head. This wig is the Latisha wig by Sensationnel, and it is a part of their What Lace series. And here is the box. So as you guys can see, this is my second time buying the wig. The first time that I got this wig, I got it for about 80 bucks at my local beauty supply store. This time I got this wig off of wigtypes.com and it was under $60. So I do want to disclose that this is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this wig with my own money. And if you can't already tell, I clearly obviously love this wig because I did buy it again. So this is how the wig looks with about 2 weeks worth of wear. Ever since I got the wig, I put it on and I just haven't wanted to take it off. So the curls have definitely fallen quite a bit. They have definitely loosened up. But the wig does have this really beautiful, like, natural yaki texture. So the more matted or the more nappy that the wig gets, the more natural that it looks. So it kind of works out. But I am going to go ahead and take this wig right on off so I can show you guys the new one. Okay, you guys, so here she is straight out of the box. As you can see, just from side-by-side comparison, the curls are a lot more tighter. They're also a lot more shinier and fresh. They're just really beautiful curls, and whenever you comb them out, they get so big and fluffy. But I did want to do a side-by-side comparison also with the length. So this is the wig clearly that I have been wearing for the past 2 weeks. It definitely did drop a little bit and get some more length to it. So before I throw her on my head, I want to show you guys the cap construction. She is listed as being 13 by 6, and it does have a very, very nice size of free parting space, which is absolutely amazing for a synthetic unit. It also does have ear-to-ear lace, so you can really customize that. It also comes with 2 combs here in the temple area, also a comb in the back, along with the 2 adjustable straps. So one thing that I will say about this wig is that it is not big head friendly at all. Whenever I was installing this wig the first time, I did rip the lace, so I did decide to do a Chinese bang with this. But this one, I think I'm actually going to switch it up a little bit. I might do a side part or a middle part, but this is how it looks straight out of the box. So yes, it does lay ear to ear, which is great. Although I don't think it is big head friendly, that is great that it actually does reach ear to ear. And I love the fact that the baby hairs automatically come in the wig. That just makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to cut your own baby hairs. That you can also, of course, push them back if you don't prefer the baby hairs. But here is how she looks. So I want to show you guys the parting on this wig. Look at that. What? On a synthetic? Not on a synthetic. What? Not on a synthetic. Let me do the other side. Oh. You guys, this is a synthetic wig. So I want to read to you guys some of the information on the stock card. This is, again, the Latisha wig by Sensationnel, their Swiss lace wig. And here is what the stock card looks like. On the inside it says 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. So yeah, this is really one of those type of wigs where you can just put it on and go. That is most definitely what I have been doing with the wig for the past 2 weeks. Since it was a Chinese bang unit, it was super easy to just throw it on and go. I absolutely swear by this wig. Again, it's not a sponsored review. This is something that I bought with my own money twice and I will most likely continue to buy. I do want to try a different color, and they do have a couple of different color options. They have a full 613, so that is like, you know, that bleach blonde that we're used to. They have flamboyage auburn, flamboyage blonde, flamboyage chocolate, and I don't know how many times I'm going to be able to say that, but they have flamboyage mocha, flamboyage sand. They have T1B/27, T1B/30, and T1B/BG. So a lot of different color patterns, color schemes going on there. So I'm going to go ahead and customize this unit off camera. I don't know if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I really love the bang. I would love to throw a bang back in there, but we're going to switch it up. So I'm going to go ahead and customize it, and I will see you guys in a second whenever the finished look is completed. Okay, you guys, so I am back, and this is the completed look for the wig. I decided to go for a side part, which is definitely something different for me. But I want to come in and show you guys this hairline. So for the sake of the video, I didn't do like a full install, nothing too crazy. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to customize this unit and get it to where you want it to be. Like, it's really so simple. The last time all I did was cut some bangs into it and it was ready to go. This time I decided to pull out just a little bit of the baby hairs and lay those down, cut the lace. I didn't tint the lace itself. This is just the wig cap that is tinted. So the lace is very nicely transparent to where it just blends nicely with whatever is underneath. I'm going to show you guys a middle part. I swear this wig is just amazing. It gives those beautiful, big, bouncy 80s curls. There is no smell to the wig. It doesn't even smell like, like, you know, how typical wigs may smell, whether it be the hair store or processed hair or plastic hair. It has like literally no smell to it. As for the longevity of the wig, I do think that it holds up pretty well. You guys seen how the wig looked 2 weeks in the beginning of the video, and it still had a lot of volume to it. It's had much more length to it. It was just beautiful. I feel like the more and more you wear it, the prettier it gets, honestly. It doesn't say on the stock card how long the wig is, so I would say that the wig is about 20 to 22 inches, and it drops to 24 inches whenever you wear it a little bit. So it does have some pretty nice length on it. I think the best thing about this wig is the parting space in the hairline. I mean, you cannot beat this wig for a synthetic unit. I swear you cannot beat it. So that concludes the unboxing and review for this wig. Again, this is the Latisha wig by Sensationnel, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it or found it informative. If you have any questions about the wig, please let me know down in the comments below. I will do my very best to get back to you. I will leave a few different links for the wig down in the description box, so if you are interested in buying it, you can look down there to figure out where to purchase. And yeah, that is it, you guys. So I'm gonna go take pictures in my little makeup look and my fresh wig. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, don't forget to live the life you love and love the life you live. I'm out of here, guys. Ciao for now.